check this out, y'all. The easiest way to make diner style pancakes, you know, they come out looking like that, all one color. No oil, no butter in your pan. Make sure it's hot enough. Obviously, I've made quite a stack already. So my pan is hot enough. I'm simply gonna pour in the batter. To make all of my pancakes the same size, I use a 1/3 cup measuring cup. And then we're just gonna let this cook. It's almost time to flip when you see the bubbles start to come up. Okay, ready to flip. Now we're just gonna take our spatula around the edges. There we go. Not burnt, all one color, just like the diners. Do you ever make your waffles and wonder why they are soggy and they don't stay crisp like the ones in the supermarket? After you make them and you put them to cool, you got to put them on a cooling rack. You see, you got air goes through the front, the bottom, and the top, so they'll cool and still be crisp. If you pile them on top of each other, the steam will soften them and then you'll have soggy waffles. Dollar Tree for the win, y'all. If y'all don't want to buy parchment paper and then have the trouble of like cutting it up, they've got these patty paper squares, which is like 100 sheets literally for $1. So what I'm gonna do to start the freezing process, I've had my waffles cooling. I'm gonna put one parchment paper on the bottom and then start to stack my waffles. I'm just gonna alternate it. And that just helps to keep them separate when they go into the freezer so they don't stick together. And when you're trying to take them apart, it won't be a problem.